So this is Caelan's third attempt at skiing on his first run, and he's doing awesome.
Yeah. For you, and you're good to go.
Caelan, since I'm a pro, I'm a natural. Okay.
There he goes.
Hi, Mommy.
Focus on your skiing. Yep, turn to your left like that. That's perfect. Keep to your left. And pizza. Here, Caelan. Say something.
Hi. That was my third attempt on the first ski lift. Well, first time.
First run.